Django, how to filter objects with an author from a set of authors, users. How to filter objects with an author from a set of authors, users. The objects are posts, having an author foreign key to user. I'm pretty much stumped by this, so I'd appreciate help with it. Of course one could go about this the naive way, by manually filtering them, but that would hit the database real hard. Thanks anyway. Edit. Listing of post. Clarification, I'm trying to filter based upon a set of users and not a single user, which is trivially easy to do, when equals models.datetime field auto_now equals true. Thanks to everyone who helped with the previous question. Now I have one final thing to ask. Code excerpt from user profile, connected to user. Is this the most efficient way to get all the posts by an author and its friends? Note, this is a naive implementation, as it doesn't handle pagination, etc. We'll do that later.
Something like where user is the relevant user should work, but it's hard to give a good answer with no models. Edit. Now that I understand your question, try this. Where users is the set of users.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.